The riots in Xinjiang province started Sunday night, and by Monday morning, the Chinese government surprised international media by organizing a press trip out to this remote part of Western China. The government has even set up a press room in a hotel, holding news conferences to update developments.
We are following an open and transparent policy in media reporting during this July 5th incident to assist foreign media and domestic media in covering the situation in Xinjiang. We have a single objective. That is, we hope international media can objectively report the truth of this incident based on facts.
This is a very different reception the media encountered trying to cover the Tibetan monk uprisings in March of 2008. The Chinese government closed off the region, kicked out all journalists, and didn't release information for days. So why the sudden change by the Chinese government in its approach to the media? Well, some analysts say the government is not lifting media restrictions. Instead, they're playing offense rather than defense. The China Media Project, based in Hong Kong, uses the term Control 2.0 to describe this strategy. So the core of Control 2.0 is reporting at the first possible moment those news events that cannot be concealed, getting the government's official explanation and version of the facts out first. This preempts other media, including international media. In fact, public internet access has been shut down in the province of Xinjiang where the riots happened, but the government is helping the media get internet access in the press room. In the rest of China, Twitter and YouTube are down, and on the Chinese equivalent of Twitter, a site called fanfo.com, try typing in the name of the province Xinjiang or the main city Urumqi. The site says, sorry, no items found with those search terms. Pauline Chu, CNN, Hong Kong.